In front of me is Realme C61 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. You need to begin by launching Clock app. Then tap on Alarm at the bottom left corner, and before doing anything, tap on those three dots at the top right one to access settings and adjust all of those however you want to. Then go back, and to create new alarm, use this plus. Now set up an hour and save it by hitting OK. Then adjust it however you want to. At the top you can add label and save it by hitting OK. Then tap on days of the week that you wish to set up. And to exclude some specific dates, use this plus next to pause alarm. Pick them and hit OK. To delete them, use remove button right next to them. Now click on bell icon. Download one of those sound apps if you want to use music from one of them, or hit dismiss. If you want to use music from all of them, one of them or all of them, click on the chosen one here and simply log in. If you don't, you can tap on Sounds, tap on Add New, and pick any song from your device by clicking on it. You can also just pick one of those and go back. Then manage vibrations by clicking on this icon next to vibrate to turn it off or on, and add or remove your alarm from Google Assistant routine by tapping on this plus. Or later, remove button. Now to hide all of those settings, click at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. You can switch it on or off by tapping on this switcher next to it, or remove it by clicking at the top right corner and bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!